this guy here, this guy. So like I was watching TV, right? It was like the snow commercial, and it was like for a snowmobile. And it was like in the middle of June in Hawaii, and it was snowing for some reason. So I like wanted to go outside, like to play in the snow, but I did. So like I tripped and like did a 360 gainer without even trying, and then I like tripped and fell and like broke my back or something. And I know this guy who like broke his back before. He was in a YouTube video I saw. It was called The Sink, and like he was like hanging on the wall somehow. Like he was a scary guy. He was like hanging on the wall like Spider-Man, but he wasn't Spider-Man. And he like didn't have those sticky web things. And then I was like, oh, this video scares me. Then I turned it off, and then I like kept on running around in circles for some reason. But then I went to school, right? And then I had math, and no, I had French, right? And then I was like, my teacher asked me, what's like the winter festivals or something? And I was like, Mayfish. I was like the only one who raised my hand, but I like got the answer wrong. But then I got it wrong, and then I was like sad because everyone laughed at me, and then I walked out the classroom, and then I had like something else, and then whatever. And then, which brings me to my next subject, snack time. And then my friend, he's not really my friend, he was like, guys, we have snack. And then I didn't really have snack because you don't really have snack during break time. Because in middle school, I'm like 20, but I'm in middle school too. I'm like in the 7th grade. And then I'm like, oh, I'm like dumb. But I like got held back like 10 years in a row for 7th grade. And then I got home, ate a snack for Jesus. I had Jesus. Oh yeah, oh, guys, sorry. um, my pet's unicorn just died. So like, there's this unicorn in Adventure Time. It's a video called Adventure Time. So see you guys later. Bye.